Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling developer options and USB debugging so your computer can communicate with the phone. This is required. Install ADB on your PC and confirm connection with a DB devices. Once connected, make a full backup or system image to restore if needed. Removing system apps can brick a device. Next, run a DB shell PM list packages to identify package names. Now that you have names, you can proceed to disable or remove the target app using precise commands. Once you have package names, use a DB shell PM disable user 0 package. Name to safely disable. If you want to remove for the current user, run a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package. Name. This keeps the APK in system but hides it and is reversible by factory reset. For rooted devices, remount /system read/write and remove the APK directly or use a root app manager. This permanently deletes the file. Make sure to recheck dependencies and avoid removing services. You finish by rebooting the device and verifying the app is gone both from the UI and via a DB shell PM list packages grep package. Name. If the system misbehaves or you hit a boot loop, boot into recovery or sideload the backup image and restore the APKs you removed. This reverses damage. Once done, make sure to test core functions like calls and notifications. If unsure, use safe mode to diagnose conflicts. Then restore or reinstall only the necessary system components to recover functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.